Y'all selling, it's on camera. This is ULTRAFIT's newest addition to their window tint line. It's Vivid Signature Max Blue 70. I challenged Jason, the owner of ULTRAFIT, to make a clear film that performed as well as my favorite clear film, 3M crystalline. And he said challenge accepted, and a year and a half later, he showed up with this, Max Blue 70. This is, according to him, the highest heat rejection clear film ever produced in the world, and it's done in a way that it doesn't actually degrade over time. So now we're gonna install it on my Cybertruck and see how it goes compared to what I'm used to. He calls this Max Blue. This was actually done with no pigment. It just came out this blue color by all the chemicals and the particles that allow it to block heat that were put inside of the film. And it looks like this nice blue chrome color. So true story, the things that go wrong with window tint, one of my most hated and most ignored things that can happen to window tint is you can smear adhesive by, we call it the shrink and smash. Yeah. So you heat it up and you card it, and you'll see the guys with a heat gun just carding the film. They'll smash it. Yeah. And what happens is the adhesive, like usually when you're shrinking window film, you're supposed to heat it up and let the adhesive cool down for even a couple seconds before you shrink it. So if you're heating it and you're smashing it as you're heating it up,
you'll distort the layers.
You smear the adhesive, and the adhesive's clear, so you can't really see it until it's installed, and then at night, all the lights look like really big snowflakes. I see it on cars that other tender, never Justice.
Yeah, you see all the time. I'm really careful with that.
Never Justice. Justice actually is very keen on this. Yeah. And I'm not saying that just to brag. I mean, I really mean he's very keen on it. When I met Justice and he flew up here from Florida and we started talking about this, both of us looked at each other like, well, someone who actually cares.
Yeah, basically, yeah.
I was like, I actually didn't understand why film was all blurry like that. He was the one that explained to me that someone was smearing the adhesive, and I was like, oh, that makes sense.
Makes so much sense, yeah.
I actually showed him the motion that most of the tinters I had seen do that I'd seen that problem with. He's like, oh yeah, shrink and smash. Yeah. So he identified very quickly what I was seeing.
Because that's how everyone gets taught to shrink windows.
Yeah, shrink, smash.
Yeah. But then guys, especially when you're going for speed, they're like,
yeah.
You watch any of the speed videos, they're just trying to get it down as fast as possible.
And then they tell you to look through it, not at it. And I'm like, but you can't. At night, it's bad.
Yeah, but this film shrank really, really quick and easy. Like this is like anything that's not crystalline to me shrinks really, really easily.
But you're used to shrinking something that's extremely hard to shrink.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
It's like I all the time do squats with a 130-pound kettlebell. Yeah. So if I pick up a 10-pound kettlebell, I'm like, oh, this is nothing.
Yeah, exactly. That's actually a really good example.
Yeah, this is nothing. Like, wow, this is so easy.
Yeah.
I am a god. So right now I'm cleaning the outside of the windshield from the fabric softener that allowed the film to be shrank down without sticking too hard to the windshield, so that Justice can see what he's doing during his install. Mm-hmm.
Is there any of the guys that we can grab real quick to help us be like the extra set of hands?
Yes.
Yes. Because I know.
Give me 1 sec.
Yeah. Misa can do it.
Thank you.
Okay. She did do it before. Yeah, Misa's done it before.
Oh. Do you want to grab Misa?
If none of those guys are coming, we can. Yeah. All right.
It's me, Misa.
Yeah.
I've done this before, which makes me pro. Better than Justice.
Yeah.
So let's do it.
All right, Misa, run over here to this side. All right, so there's a roll of film that's like wet over here. I'm going to have you pass it into me, like the top first.
So me and Justice,
Will you grab, so there's 2 magnets, either on this board or somewhere else, and grab 2 magnets.
This is the first Max Blue 70 install on a Cybertruck.
Oh, nice. Dude, they're going to be up next to the film boxes. On the metal shelf, top corner where the soak ropes are.
There we go.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the first Max Blue 70. We were one of the first to do tint on the windshield on a Cybertruck.
We were the first.
Yeah.
We weren't one of the first. We were the first.
Yeah. Go check out that YouTube video.
No, we weren't one of the first. We were the first people to tint this windshield.
Yeah. Go. So everybody else is copying us.
Yeah, right?
It's actually cool. When I was at the window tint competition, I had a guy from South Korea run up to me and say, I'm the reason that he learned how to do Cybertrucks. Yeah.
Nice.
That was pretty cool.
Very nice. I approve.
All right, Misa, so your next job is going to be to keep...
This
you
film?
set the magnets down for a second.
Just put them in the door.
Yeah, put them somewhere where you can easily grab them. And so hold the film off my head just a hair. Yep. Okay. All right. Because I got to get up here, Misa. You're going to have my butt in your face, dude.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's in my camera too.
I've been doing squats, guys.
You can tell.
Didn't know this. Justice is a workoutaholic. He runs and works out all the time.
Yeah.
And Misa, in her free time, jumps horses over things. That's a true story.
Go ahead and unroll for me. Yeah.
I just shoot people with paintball guns in my free time.
All right, keep it on a little bit more, a little bit more. Gotta get this liner here off.
Got it.
All right, Misa, you got the magnets? All right, so give me one.
They're kind of sticky, is that okay?
That's okay, yeah. And then put one, if you can match it on the outside.
Okay, give me this film off your head.
Oh,
I got it, I got it.
it should stay. Cool, dope. Okay, Misa, so your new job.
Just get in here and put your hand like right here.
Yeah.
And don't let the film fall.
Yeah, just don't let the film fall.
If the film does fall, just let your hand fall with it. Don't try to push it back up.
Just slightly, yeah, no sudden movements.
no sudden movements.
No jerky, no nothing, like,
Just
yeah.
right here. Yeah. You can just keep it right there, yeah.
I would love it if somebody tried to talk shit to me about, why do you need 3 people to get this film in? I can do it by myself.
Yeah, well, yours is all, we like our insoles to be clean.
Clean and not creases in it, yeah.
Yeah.
I've seen videos, like, more credit to somebody who puts these in by themselves, but I've seen the videos.
How many of those have we redone?
Quite a few. Yeah, a lot.
Yeah, the guy, everyone's like, is this supposed to look this way? He said it was normal. It's like, I bet he did. He probably spent 4 hours battling that piece of film onto the glass. Oh, you gotta be super dry.
Yeah, you need to stop doing what you're doing.
I'm just pulling it down because I didn't mean to.
Yeah, you shouldn't be putting that on the glass right now.
You know?
Yep.
Spray bottle.
It's okay.
Spray
it. Yeah, it's okay.
Here. Today's install was brought to you by What Could and Would.
Will you pass me that spray bottle down on the ground next to you, Misa? Because I don't know where my other one is.
Murphy, full effect here, guys. Just because we decided to record it.
Yeah. Pretty much.
Am I necessary?
No, you're good now. Thank you.
Now I'm going to sit in the back seat with Alex.
Commentate.
Make sure he's nice and relaxed.
Stare at my bald spot.
We can't see it. It's overshadowed here. Nobody cares, Justice.
I care.
You are very vain. It makes sense. So now here we have Justice carefully massaging bubbles out of the tint. The reason he's doing that is to move the moisture around to avoid dry spots.
Well, I'm actually doing it to let the film go where it's supposed to go. Because if I leave a big bubble, it might actually adjust where the film is, causing like a weird tension point to where it won't line up like where it's supposed to be.
I like my explanation better, Justice.
You're like, shut up.
Here we have a wild Justice. He's in here. He's examining his prey. He's deciding what to do. Mm-hmm. The windshield is very wet. He wants to finger it very closely. He likes to move the wetness around with his hands so that the windshield's happy. Mm-hmm. And then once the windshield's happy, the film becomes happy. You could tell the film's happy by it being lubricated, wet, and moist, and moving around nicely. This Max Blue 70 install is going absolutely perfectly. And if for some reason we don't finish it, I'm going to have to drive a Corvette 2 hours to a paintball game, which will suck.
We're finishing it, Joe.
Oh, we're doing it?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, once it's peeled, there's no stopping.
We're doing it. We're going to do it.
Yeah, once I peel the tint's on, like, it's going. Yeah.
This is happening.
Yeah.
I'm just curious to see how this performs. Like, because when I was in Alex's car, I felt nothing. Mm-hmm. I was pretty impressed. I felt more coming through whatever that was on here, which was really weird to me too.
The TSER is 48%, so stopping half the heat with a clear film. So that's pretty impressive. because like high end like heat rejection films with a 70%, usually the total solar energy rejection is 45.
Jason tried really hard. I gave him the challenge. I said, beat that box you see over there in the background, the stack of boxes over there. I was like, I need something better than this that's clear.
You can definitely see the blueness in it.
Bump, bump, bump. You guys do anything fun this weekend?
And you do what?
Yay! What are you doing in Tahoe?
Yeah. You can definitely see it changes the, like everything has like a slight blue hue to it. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. That's exactly what this looks like.
Nice.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. That's a good point. This does look exactly like that coating that Mercedes used to put in their windshields. Yeah. What I was trying to say before Alex finished it. No. Huh? I was trying to, what's the word? I was trying to tease the camera a little bit. I was trying to edge the camera. That's the, that's the term.
That's what I did.
This is when I get in the middle of the vehicle. Oh no, I turned the AC on.
Oh, why do they have so many wires in here?
There's a wire running from something that's wrapped around my leg right now. It hurts my shoulder. My shoulder, I did something to it yesterday when I was, or not yesterday, day before. I was working on. Oh. Where are my paper towels at? What?
Yeah, it looks like you're sitting in a booster seat.
It feels like I'm sitting in a booster seat because I can't sit all the way up, but it helps me get to like the middle bottom.
That's a trick.
Yeah. Yep. Oh, Drew's calling me.
Everything could and would have went wrong on this install, but we were using the amazing Max Blue 70 from ULTRAFIT. It saved us in every which way possible, and the install went okay in the time allowed.
From film on top of the glass till now, we started at 4:30. It's 5:30.
I know.
We did this in an hour. Yeah.
It's because, actually, the reason we were able to do that is because of years and years and years and thousands of Cybertrucks of experience.
So many Cybertrucks.
And then
I did cry a little.
And then what helped was me telling Justice it was possible, because Justice often overreacts and thinks that nothing's possible. And then I'm like, it's okay, just calm down, we'll just do it. And then it works.
And then it sometimes works.
Not sometimes, always. So, what are your first thoughts looking through this Max Blue 70? You're like, I can't see anything yet.
Yeah, it's blue.
It's blue.
Yeah. It definitely gives everything a slightly blue hue to it.
It does have well, it's called Max Blue, you know,
Yeah.
I believe the color comes from whatever extruding process happens that with the chemicals inside of the film or particles inside of the film that allow it to block so much heat. So this film actually has a super high Want me to stab him?
It's okay. The microphone's right next to you, so it should be fine.
You want me to kill him?
Yeah, he doesn't care at all. Yeah.
I don't think he knows. He's just oblivious.
Yeah.
Doesn't realize we're sitting here filming, talking. Just
These PPF guys live in their own little world. Yeah.
they really do, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
They do.
They do.
They really do. I noticed the same thing. I'm like,
They're like, the shop's on fire? That's cool.
it's cool. I'm just finishing my car.
Yeah.
You know, my initial thoughts on this is it does look very blue while I'm looking for it. While I'm looking at it. But Alex has this film dried on his car. Final test.
Final test,
Final
yeah.
boss.
Yeah.
I'm going to drive this car 4 hours tomorrow. I will spend a bunch of time behind this, and I'm hypersensitive to some spectrum of heat that I've only found one other film that blocks. Because I've gotten in lots of cars with lots of high heat rejection film, and I've tried lots of them, and I always feel something, except for the film that I asked him to beat when he made this. So let's see how it goes. But I've got a 4 hour drive tomorrow, so I'll have some really good feedback for you on Monday.
It's a really good thing it's November.
Doesn't matter, just the sun being out. Bro, it could be. I was in Tahoe and it was like 20 degrees and the sun was out, and I still felt heat coming through the rental car window.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna start cleaning it up.
If you're a vampire, you're a vampire, bro. I'm a vampire.
You sparkle?
No, but I melt with garlic.
What's that Twilight reference with the sparkling?
I don't know. I've never watched
You've never seen
Twilight.
Twilight? Oh,
No.
yeah, because the vampires in that sparkle.